Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign into my Service Canada account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up your web browser and search for MSCA. Then, click on the first link to open the MSCA sign-in page. Once you're there, scroll down and you'll see several available sign-in options. You can use a sign-in partner, sign in with a GC key username and password, or use a provincial sign-in option if it's available in your area. Choose the sign-in method you want to use. For example, if you're using GC key, click on the GC key sign-in option. After selecting your method, you'll be redirected to the appropriate login page. If you're using GC key, you'll be asked to enter your username and password. Simply type in your login details and continue to sign in. If you receive a message saying your username or password is incorrect, don't worry. You'll see options such as Forgot Username or Forgot Password that can help you recover or reset your account information. And that's it. So that's basically how you can sign in to my Service Canada account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.